So students, today we will be solving a new type of question. So new type of question means we are given like this. We are given our question is use the product that is 1 minus 1 2 0 2 minus 3 3 minus 2 4 minus 2 0 1 9 2 minus 3 6 1 minus 2. To solve the equations. Look at what are the equations here. We are given the equations x minus y plus 2z equals to 1, 2y minus 3z equals to 1, 3x minus 2y plus 4z equals to 2. Look here. 1 minus 1 2, 1 minus 1 2, 0 2 minus 3, 0 2 minus 3, 3 minus 2 4, 3 minus 2 4. That means our A is contained here. So we are going to use this product to solve these equations. So how to solve? Look at here. Let's find, let A equals to, I have taken this product, I have taken here 1 minus 1 2, 0 2 minus 3, 3 minus 2 4, and C I have taken here minus 2 0 1, minus 2 0 1, 9 2 minus 3, 6 1 minus 2. So let's find out this product, then we will solve here. 1 1 2. Okay. So if I multiply, what is AC for us? AC will be product of these two. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, then minus minus 2, minus 9 plus 12. Okay, this row, this column, this is 0, then minus 2, this row, this column, minus 2, then plus 2, then you are getting 1, minus will be plus 3, minus will be plus 3, then minus 4. So look at your clue is some number 0 0 it should come. That means your multiplication is going correctly according to the question. Okay, if I go in this way, that is 0 plus 4 minus 0 row column, 0 plus 18 minus 18, then 0 plus 4 minus 3, then 0 plus minus 6 plus 6, then you are getting minus 6 minus 18 plus 24, then 0 minus 4 plus 4, then you are getting 3 minus will be plus 6 minus 8. Okay, so you got here, what did you get? It is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is what? This is your identity matrix. So identity matrix means we know, that means you got AC equals to I. Notice this line. AC equals to I. AC equals to I means, because we know A into A inverse equals to I. That means in place of A inverse, your C is here. That means your A inverse equals to C. C means this one. Therefore, you are getting, therefore, A inverse equals to C, which is this. That means directly you got your A inverse, no need to find the cofactors. So in that way, so what are the equations given to us? Let's solve it. The equations given to us is, now x minus y plus 2z equals to 1, then 2y minus 3z equals to 1, 3x minus 2y plus 4z equals to 2. So if I write a equals to 1 minus 1, 2, 0, 2 minus 3, 3 minus 2, 4, x equals to x, y, z, b equals to 1, 1, 2, such that ax equals to b. Then what is x? Implies x equals to A inverse b. A inverse already you have found out. That means what is your A inverse? So A inverse means CB. So that is CB, because your A inverse equals to C. C means minus 2, 0, 1, 9, 2 minus 3, 6, 1 minus 2. And your B is 1, 1, 2. This is the value of which one? X, Y, Z. Value of X, Y, Z. Okay. If this is the value of X, Y, Z, then let's multiply. What will you get here? That will give you minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 plus 0 plus 2, 9 plus 2 minus 6, then 6 plus 1 minus 4. This is your x, y, z. So how much you got? This is what? This is 0, 9 to 11 minus 6 is 5, 6 plus 1 is 7 minus 4 is 3. That means x equals to 0, y equals to 5, z equals to 3. So when you get a question, use product to find out A inverse from here, then you solve it. Okay, see another pattern question. Sometimes you get word problem on this. So word problem means you'll find a question. Sum of three numbers is 6. Sum of three numbers is 6. Then you find if we multiply the third number by 3, if you multiply the third number by 3, third number by 3 and 8 to second, 8 to second, we get 11. We get 11. Okay. Then you find by adding the first and third number, by adding the first and third number we get double the second number. Double the second number. Okay, represent it algebraically and find the number. Find the number using matrix method. I think it is not that difficult. You can see here. It is not difficult. Sum of three numbers is 6. That means your x plus y plus z equals to 6. You got the first equation. If you multiply the third number by 3, if you multiply the third number by 3 and add to second, second means y plus 3z equals to 11. Then by adding the first and third number, adding the first and third number means x plus z, we get twice double the second number means 2y. So what is your conclusion? So three equations you got. That is x plus y plus z equals to 11. This is 0x and y plus 3z equals, sorry, this is 6, this is 11, and x minus 2y plus z equals to 0. You know how to solve it, so you try this question. If you try this question, I will give another one. So another one is, suppose you are given a question, if a equals to 2 minus 3, 5, 2 minus 3, 5, 3, 2 minus 4, 1, 1 minus 2. This is our question. Find A inverse. Use A inverse to solve. What are the questions? Now 2x minus 3y plus 5z equals to 11. 3x plus 2y minus 4z equals to minus 5, and x plus y minus 2z equals to minus 3. Nothing, same method again you see here. It is again same method. Why? That 2 minus 3, 5, 2 minus 3, 5. Then you are finding 3, 2 minus 4, 3, 2 minus 4. It is 1, 1 minus 2. That means exactly A is here. If you find A inverse, the same A inverse will be here. That means what are you going to do? Ax equals to B. X is A inverse B. So A inverse B means that A inverse you find using the cofactor method and put here as a multiplier. This is one pattern. The last question which I am going to give you is a very important question. Try to see. These two questions you try, which I gave you. Okay. There is a question here. If the determinant, First matrix is given. If the matrix say is 1 sin theta 1 minus sin theta 1 sin theta, then minus 1 minus sin theta 1. This is the matrix given to us. And where 0 lies between, theta lies between 0 and 2 pi, then we have 4 options. What are those options? 1, the determinant of A equals to 0. Second option given, the determinant of A belongs to open interval 2, 4. Third option given, determinant of A belongs to 2 infinity. Fourth option given, determinant of A belongs to closed interval 2, 4. See, this is open interval, both are not included, here both are included. Notice this point very carefully. Your theta lies between 0 and 2 pi, both are included. So, how to solve this question? So, let's write down solution. Take the determinant of this. Because you have to find the determinant. So, if you expand along the row 1, expanding along row 1, it will be 1 x minor. Forget these two lines. This is 1 sin theta minus sin theta 1. 1 sin theta minus sin theta 1. Minus this element sin theta. Forget these two. Minus sin theta minus sin theta minus 1 1 plus 1 into its minor. 1 means this one. Forget these two. Minus sin theta 1 minus 1 minus sin theta. What did you get? You are going to get, this is 1 into 1 plus sin square theta, then minus sin theta minus sin theta minus plus sin theta, minus sin theta plus sin theta. Okay, plus 1 into sin square theta plus 1. This is what? Not determinant of A. So what did you get? So determinant of A means you are going to get sin square, this will be 0, 2 sin square theta plus 2. That means 2 common 1 plus sin square theta. So we know sin theta lies between plus 1 and minus 1. Sin theta lies between plus 1 and minus 1. Look, minus 1 and plus 1. If you have not forgotten, this is your sine graph. The maximum value is 1, minimum value is minus 1. That is what you call sin theta lies between. This is y equals to sin theta cos. Y equals to, I think I should take here. You can just take here. Sin theta lies between plus 1 and minus 1. That is what we mean. But implies sine square theta lies between 1 and 0. So why 0? Because square of any number will be positive. If I take a number like here, this side is negative value. This side is negative value. I think you cannot see. You can see it here. It's minus 1, 0, 1. This side is negative value. Sine square theta is always positive because square of any number is positive. When square of any number is positive, so it will remain between 0 and 1. That is why sine square theta will remain between 0 and 1. Okay, then what you need? 2 sine square theta plus 2. That means we need to find 2 multiply 0 into 2 less than equal to 2 sine square theta less than equal to 1 into 2. That means 0 lies between 2 sine square theta and 2. But your question is 2 sine square theta plus 2. I think this line is not required for us. We will not write. 2 sine square theta plus 2. That means 2 you have to add here. 0 plus 2 less than equal to 2 sine square theta plus 2 less than equal to 2 plus 2. What is this 2 sine square theta plus 2? This is your determinant of A. So what did you conclude? Determinant of A lies between 2 and 4. That means you can write determinant of A belongs to closed interval because equality is here. When equality is here, it will be between 2 and 4. So students, today we completed one chapter, that is determinant. You might have some questions to ask me. So what we'll do is, I am giving my mobile number. Whenever you have any doubt, you can clear it. You can ask me questions. I will send you the answers. You can take my 2 WhatsApp number 821 708 78529 and 790 866 3060. So these 2 are my WhatsApp number. Go through all the questions in this. Whenever you have a doubt, you send the questions in this. So I will answer you the questions. Now my question is, tomorrow we are going to start a new chapter. That chapter is limit, continuity, differentiation, integration, application of integration and differential equation that carries you 40 marks. So tomorrow the class will start, will continue with 40 marks. If your first chapter of the first article is not clear, then it will be very difficult for you. So my suggestion, whatever the pending questions you have in this chapter, try to complete today. When tomorrow I start a new chapter, I hope you will continue with me regularly. So tomorrow class will be limits and continuity. Okay.